Let's start cooking Dhaba style chicken. So we have cinnamon, cloves, big cardamom, and then we have black pepper, and then bay leaves, and then chili, red chili. पहले हम लोग पैन को हीट करेंगे and then we will add all the ingredients, खड़ा मसाला, and we will heat up first for a while. And जैसे ये proper heat up होता है, then we will grind them. Here we have marinated our chicken with all the khada masala which we have grinded, and I have added chicken masala as well into it and little oil, and I'm going to keep it for 30 minutes. So I have kept our chicken for marination, and meanwhile we will prepare rest of the ingredients like tomato, onion, and ginger garlic paste. Now all the ingredients are ready. We will add some oil in our pan, and then we will add ginger garlic paste, and we will saute this until it gets brown, little brown. And once it gets brown in color, we're gonna add our onion, chopped onion. See, now the color is brown. We'll add our onions. Saute this well until onion also gets brown. Now cover your pan for say 5 minutes. Now our onion is also brown in color. Almost it is done, I think. Now we should add tomato into it. Yeah. Now mix it well, and if you want you can add a little salt also. We will cover the lid again so tomato जो अच्छे से पक जाए, और for 5 minutes we'll keep it. Now I think tomatoes are done. We will add our chicken, marinated chicken. We've added now, and we will mix it for a while, and we will cook it until 10 minutes. We have cooked it for almost 15 minutes, and we will add some salt, and it is almost done, but we'll keep it for a few more minutes. And meanwhile, please remember, never add cold water into your chicken. So I have already kept hot water, and now I'm adding hot water into my chicken, because if you add cold water, then the softness of the chicken will go. To retain that softness, I'm adding hot water. So our Indian Dhaba style chicken is ready, and it is looking delicious, and aroma is mesmerizing. And now we will serve it.